Very good morning, Ashika.
What is your name?
My name is Ashika.
What is the name of your school?
My school name is New Standard School.
Which class are you studying?
I am studying UKG,
LKG.
LKG.
How old are you?
I am 4 years old.
Who is your class teacher?
Sarta Miss,
Who is your GK teacher?
Asina Miss,
Who is your correspondent sir?
Chandrasekhar Sir,
Who is your vice chairman?
Chandra Madam,
Who is your educational minister?
Balu Sir,
Sabita in
Reddy.
Savita Indra Reddy,
Who is your DEO?
Vishwapati Sir,
Who is your MEO?
Balu Sir,
Which is our village?
Nalgonda,
Which is our village?
Nagarjuna Sagar.
Nagarjun Sagar,
Which is our mandal?
Pedora Mandal,
Which is our district?
Nalgonda,
Who is our CM?
Kalavkuntla, Chandrasekhar Sir,
Chandrasekhar Rao.
Chandrasekhar Rao,
Who is our prime minister?
Narendra Modi,
Who is our governor?
Tamilisai,
Which is our state?
Telangana,
Which is our state flower?
Tangara Puvu,
Which is our state bird?
Palapitta,
Which is our state animal?
Krishna Jinka,
Which is our state game?
Kavati,
Which is our state fruit?
Mango,
Which is our state song?
Jai Jai Telangana,
Which is our state emblem?
Krishna Ji,
Which is our state emblem?
Kakatiya Toranam,
Which is our state festival?
Bonalu,
Which is our national flower?
Va,
Lotus.
Lotus,
Which is our national tree?
Banetri,
Which is our national bird?
Ika,
Which is our national fruit?
Mango,
Which is our national game?
Hockey,
Which is our national song? Vande Mataram.
Mande Mataram,
Which is our national anthem?
Jana Jana Mana,
Which is our national animal?
Tiger,
Which is our national emblem?
Four Lions,
How many colors in our national flag?
Three colors.
three colors,
Say what are they? Saffron,
Ika,
saffron,
Saffron,
white,
White,
green.
Green,
What is the middle of the flag?
Asoka Chakram,
What is the color of Ashoka Chakra?
Navy Blue,
How many spokes in Ashoka Chakra?